So to continue along on our burger series this month, we are going to take a smash burger and a grilled cheese sandwich, put it together, but we're going to add some fruit to it just to make it a little healthier. Are you ready? Through the month of June, burgers, burgers, burgers. That's what we're going to do today. So the first thing we need to do is get some oil in that pan and get it heating up. That's just going to help our patty not stick so much to the cast iron, because cast iron is fabulous. If you're making a smash burger and you can't get outside to a flat top, use a cast iron. It gives it that beautiful crust that we're going to look for. This came from the brain of my mother-in-law. So she went to England a while ago, fell in love with a sandwich that they make there. It's just cheese and apples. A cheese and apple sandwich. Sounds kind of weird, but you know what? If you watched our episode last Sunday, I think we've already hit the weird factor as far as burgers go. So I think we're going to be okay on this one. All right, that pan is hot. We're going to go ahead and get our meat going. Oh, did you hear that sizzle? All right, we're going to let that sizzle up just for a bit before we smash it. Let's go ahead and give that a smash. I don't know how some of you people do this so easily. Oh, that'll work. We're going to add a little salt, pepper, and smoky paprika to that meat. This is just going to add a little bit more flavor to our sandwich. While that is getting that crust that we want, let's go ahead and get the bread ready. I am just using a really nice thick white bread. You can use any kind of bread that you like, but this is one of my favorites. And some cream cheese. This is going to add just a little bit more cheesy flavor and a little bit of moisture to that bread as well. I am using a havarti, just a sliced creamy havarti, because it is such a great melting cheese, but you can certainly use any cheese that you like on this sandwich. That's one of the fun things about a dish like this. You can literally make it your own. You can do anything you want, different types of cheeses. If you want to make it a chicken burger, you can. If you want to get like cream cheese that's got like chives in it, you certainly can. That's the glory of this. You do what you want to do to make it yours. An apple. That is what's going to take this sandwich to the level of healthy, because this is a lot of fat going on. Look, Annie's smoking pot, Annie's smoking pan. This is a Honeycrisp apple, but again, use any apple that you like. I just love the Honeycrisp apples, and I am going to leave the skin on just to add a little bit more flavor and texture to our sandwich. And we're just going to thinly slice it. And that is probably enough slices. All right, let's go ahead and flip our burger. Oh, beautiful, beautiful brown crust on there. And you guessed it, those apple slices are going to go right on just one slice of the bread, just one side. And if you need more apple slices, obviously go ahead and cut some more up. Oh, that's perfect right there. You know what that means? That one's mine. Oh, this is going to be so good. This is such a quick throw together meal. I don't know if you've been timing it, but we've only been at this for maybe 5 minutes. This would be a great thing to throw together for a barbecue, because you can certainly whip up a bunch of these, get all your burgers going, get your bread ready to go, and then you're going to slap it on there, grill it. And this is a great barbecue idea. It's a great dinner idea. It's quick, simple, delicious, and easy. And it'd be fun too if you lay out a bunch of different cheeses and different types of apples. People can build their own. That is looking good. We're going to put that on here. And we're going to switch, going for the non-stick now. So we'll let that get warmed back up. The trick with a grilled cheese is low and slow. If you go in a super hot pan, you're going to essentially golden brown the outside of the bread before that cheese has a chance to melt. And the other trick is we don't butter the bread. Nope, we butter the pan. Once that melts down, we're going to put that sandwich right on in there. We're going to go ahead and flip this because we've got that bottom side all buttered. Let's add some more, just a little bit in there, like that. And we're going to flip, and we're going to cook this side down. Especially trying to spread butter on bread. Half the time I destroy the bread, so this method works fantastic. Low and slow now, and we're going to cook that up. Oh, we're looking good. Now we're going to flip. Golden brown, delicious. Look at that. We are done, already done. Smash burger, grilled cheese, sliced apple. Perfect deliciousness right there. We're going to cut into it now because why not? Oh my gosh. That is cooked to perfection. I didn't get to taste last week's burger because of the peanut butter. This one, It's all mine. I might share with Darren. You know, he was a good sport last week. Oh, look at this. Oh, I just have to do this. I have to show you. Look at that cheese. That is an ooey gooey cheese pull. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. I was a little concerned about the whole apple thing because it sounded odd to me. It works. That apple has a little bit of crunch to it still. It did cook through a little bit, but it still has that bite. The cheese, Havarti, great choice. The cream cheese gives it just a level of just creaminess. The burger is cooked perfectly. That smoky paprika gives it a smoky flavor. And then, of course, it's just the perfect crust right there. Perfect crust. You can't go wrong. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care. Bye. That is so good. Low and slow, Mother Goose. Low and slow.